Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a chicken and peanut stew in the slow cooker. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So into a large bowl we're going to add 600 grams of chicken thighs that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces. And to this then I'm going to add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, half a teaspoon of fenugreek, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of grated root ginger. We're going to stir this up and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. Now over to the cooker, and I'm going to spray a large pan with some low calorie cooking oil. I'm going to put it onto a medium heat, and then I'm going to add the marinated chicken. I'm going to cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, just until it's browned all over. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. It does help me make further videos for you. So we'll take the chicken, we're going to add it to the slow cooker, and to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoonful of grated root ginger, a pinch of chili flakes, 1 large onion that's been finely sliced, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, 3 carrots that have been chopped in quarters, 3 tablespoonfuls of tomato puree, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now I'm adding 250 ml of passata, 600 milliliters of good quality chicken stock, 115 grams of reduced fat peanut butter. We're going to give the mixture a quick stir around, and then we're going to pop the lid on. Now we put the slow cooker on high for 4 hours or low for 6 hours, just depending on how much time you have. Approximately 1 hour before cooking finishes, I'm going to add 1 red pepper that's been deseeded and diced, and 1 green pepper that's been deseeded and diced. We'll pop the lid on and we'll let that cook for a further 1 hour. Now that the peppers have softened, it's time to serve. I just served mine in a bowl along with some homemade flatbreads. Now folks, if you've liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.